Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by adding a card so you can pay online immediately. Open Wallet and tap the plus sign, scan the card or type its number. Once added, verify the card through your bank's SMS or app code. This confirms authorization. Make sure Safari has Apple Pay enabled in settings so websites can prompt checkout. Also set your preferred default card to avoid prompts. Once done, you're ready to start purchases on any supported site that displays Apple Pay at checkout. When you're at a supported merchant, select Apple Pay as the payment method to speed checkout. The site will pull shipping, billing, and contact details from your wallet, review these fields, and change any that differ from the current order. Then confirm the total and shipping method shown by the merchant. Authorize the payment using Face ID, Touch ID, or a double click on your Apple Watch. This signs the payment token, not your card number. Because tokens are used, your card number stays private and secure. Complete the purchase by tapping Done and review the merchant receipt emailed to you. Apple Pay also logs the transaction in Wallet for easy reference. If a payment fails, first check Wallet to confirm the card is active and not expired. Then verify the billing address matches what the merchant expects. Next, ensure your bank authorized the token. Some issuers require extra verification. If problems persist, restart your device or reset network settings. Finally, contact your card issuer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.